It is a quiet night. Far beyond our reach, a tiny traveller continues its journey, Voyager 2. Launched in 1977, Voyager 2 was our message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. We didn't know what it would find or how long it would last, only that we had to send it. It carried the hopes and curiosity of an entire planet, a testament to our desire to explore beyond our world. For nearly 50 years, this small machine has been our eyes and ears in the outer solar system. It sailed past giant planets and mysterious moons, sending back images that changed how we see the universe. Enduring cold, radiation and emptiness, it persevered with technology simple by today's standards. Voyager 2 became a true pioneer, travelling farther than we could dream. Its journey is a story of human ingenuity and our unyielding spirit of exploration. Now, in July 2025, that journey nears its end. The signals are faint, its power fading. We begin our long goodbye to this faithful servant. This is not a story of failure, but of a mission that surpassed all expectations. Voyager 2's story is our story, a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream. Even the smallest among us can embark on the greatest adventures. As its voice fades, we ponder the incredible legacy it leaves behind, a legacy written in the stars. The journey began on a hot August day in 1977. Voyager 2 lifted off for a grand tour of the outer planets, a rare opportunity that comes once every 176 years. It flew by Jupiter, revealing swirling storms and volcanic moons, then Saturn, unveiling new rings and the hazy world of Titan. Using gravity assists, it danced from planet to planet, a marvel of precision and foresight. Voyager 2 then ventured to Uranus and Neptune, giving us our first close-up views of these distant worlds. It discovered Uranus's tilted axis and Neptune's great dark spot, turning faint dots into real places. After Neptune, its planetary mission ended, but Voyager 2 pressed on toward the edge of the solar system. In 2018, it crossed into interstellar space, leaving the Sun's influence behind. Now, it sends back data about the space between the stars. Voyager 2 became our first messenger to taste the cosmic winds of the interstellar medium. Its journey continues far from home. Every day, it expands the boundaries of our knowledge. For years, we knew this day would come, not with a dramatic explosion, but with silence. The slow fading of Voyager 2's voice is what we feared most. It's a gentle winding down, as one by one the lights go out. The fear isn't the end of the mission, but the loss of connection. Voyager 2 has been an extension of our senses, reaching where we cannot go. Losing its signal means losing a part of ourselves, a link to a golden age of exploration. No more surprises from the darkness, no more data from the interstellar medium. The end of the signal is the end of a conversation that inspired generations. The engineers who built Voyager 2 are now old, many are gone. The world has changed, but the spacecraft continued its silent work. The final signal is not a single event, but a series of small goodbyes. Each instrument turned off is a step toward silence. This slow dimming forces us to confront the finite nature of all things. Yet it also reminds us to appreciate the incredible journey. The fear is real, but so is the gratitude for all Voyager 2 has given us. Its legacy is not just in data, but in the inspiration it leaves behind. Even as it fades, its story endures. Voyager 2's farewell is a matter of power. Far from the Sun, it relies on nuclear batteries, radioisotope thermoelectric generators. When launched, they provided 470 watts. Now, the power dwindles each year. Engineers must make tough choices, shutting down instruments to keep the spacecraft alive. It's a delicate process. sacrificing parts of the mission to save the whole. Each shutdown is a goodbye to an old friend. The spacecraft isn't failing, it's simply running out of energy. This is a gentle, dignified end, a marathon runner in the final miles. The fading light is not a tragedy, but the natural conclusion to a historic journey. Voyager 2 bows out gracefully after giving us everything it had. Its exit is quiet, but its impact is everlasting. Voyager 2 is now over 14 billion miles away. Light takes more than 20 hours to reach it, and another 20 to return. Every command is a 40-hour conversation requiring patience and foresight. Its signals are faint like whispers in a hurricane. The Deep Space Network's giant antennas listen for these tiny signals, billions of times weaker than a watch battery. It's a technological miracle we can hear it at all. Every command is a risk, every bit of data is a gift. The long silence between messages is tense for the mission team. They communicate with a relic from another era, now truly in another realm. The whispers we receive are echoes from the past, telling us of places we can only dream of. Soon, those whispers will cease forever. The long goodbye has begun. To conserve power, the team is shutting down Voyager 2's science instruments. Each shutdown is a small death, a window onto the universe closing. The plasma science instrument was turned off in January 2024. Others followed. These decisions are made with care, trading discovery for survival. Soon, only a few instruments may remain. The spacecraft is slowly going blind and deaf, losing its senses one by one. The silence of the instruments marks the mission's final chapter. It's the sound of a pioneer laying down its tools after a lifetime of discovery. Voyager 2 does not travel alone. It has a twin, Voyager 1. Launched weeks apart, Voyager 1 is now the most distant human-made object. In late 2023, Voyager 1's computer sent back gibberish, leaving mission control blind for months. Engineers traced the problem to a faulty memory chip and devised a clever fix, restoring the spacecraft. But the scare was a reminder of how fragile these aging explorers are. In October 2024, Voyager 1's main transmitter briefly went silent, but a backup signal confirmed it was alive. Both Voyagers are living on borrowed time. Failures are more frequent. Voyager 2's end is a controlled descent, while Voyager 1's is a dramatic fight for survival. Together, their stories show the challenges of operating at the edge of possibility. Every day of data is a gift. Their journeys are different, but their legacy is shared. They remind us how precious and fleeting exploration can be. Soon, the last instrument on Voyager 2 will be turned off. A few years later, we'll lose contact entirely. Voyager 2 will continue its journey alone, a silent ghost ship in the interstellar void. But its mission isn't truly over. Affixed to its side is a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, images and greetings. It's a message for any civilization that might find it. This is who we were. Voyager 2 becomes more than a machine, it becomes an ambassador. It carries humanity's story into the galaxy long after we are gone. It may be the only evidence we ever existed. As we listen for its last signals, we celebrate a beginning, not just an ending. Voyager 2 has inspired us, taught us and shown us what we can achieve. Its silence will be a transformation, from a tool of science to a symbol of hope, a silent traveller, carrying a message of peace and curiosity on an endless voyage. Thank you for sharing this journey.